Hey, what's up YouTube? My name is Hassan, and today I'm going to be showing you how to step up your ramen game. This is a very simple and easy recipe, as well as being very cheap. So check it out, and let's get to it. So, for ingredients, 1 pack Shin Ramen, Spam, kimchi, eggs, green onion, oil, water, and a pot. Turn on your stove and let the pan heat up. Next, chop your green onions. 1 inch. Next, oil your pot. Get your Spam ready. Two slices. And save the rest of that Spam for another meal. Slice your Spam into strips and in half. Once your pot and oil is nice and hot, toss those green onions in there and move it around. Let the pot come back to temp. Move those green onions around for about 15 seconds. Next, add your cut Spam. Make sure that you do oil your pot to prevent the Spam from sticking to that bottom of the pot. Next, add your kimchi. Don't be afraid to use the juice from that jar of kimchi. This process should only take a couple of minutes. Coat the Spam in all of that kimchi juice. Once all your Spam, kimchi, and green onions are sauteed, add water. Fill that pot to about half. And let it come to a boil. Take the seasoning out. And mix it into the pot. Lid back on. So once your pot is at a boil, add your instant ramen into the pot. Break that ramen apart and mix all your ingredients in together. And last but not least, crack 2 eggs. Lid back on and let those eggs cook to your desired softness. And that's how you make delicious, budget-friendly ramen. Until next time, see you later.